Hello again. This is a simplified version of the recently published video of the upcoming changes in the UK immigration rules and regulations for the year 2019. Please watch the whole video to make sure you don't miss any update. Support us by sharing this video update and by subscribing to our channel. Without any further delay, let's begin our video. UK Immigration 2019 Update, Simplified Version. The most recent statement of changes to the immigration rules HC 1779 was issued in December 2018. The main modifications in this UK immigration update were: Pilot Short-Term Seasonal Agriculture Scheme, Indefinite Leave to Remain for Victims of Domestic Violence by Refugees, Tier 2 Workers, Tier 5 Workers. Prior to making a UK visa application to the Home Office, applicants must first refer to an immigration expert, which has a fully competent immigration legal representative, to make sure all of the utmost latest policies and obligations are met. Let us talk in detail about the updated rules in UK immigration. 1. Seasonal Agriculture Pilot Scheme 2019 Update. This pilot scheme will let non-EU migrant workers to arrive in the United Kingdom to commence seasonal occupation in the edible horticulture segment. This is due to a scarcity of workforce in the agricultural industry throughout peak production stages, which is expected to get worse after Brexit. As mentioned in the Home Office's descriptive memo, there is presently no official date of execution for this scheme, and additional information will be publicised soon. 2. Settlement for Victims of Domestic Violence Update. There are exclusive facilities that mean sufferers of domestic violence who possess leave to remain in the United Kingdom on the basis of their marriage or connection to a British or settled individual, but that relationship has consequently broken down because of domestic cruelty, can be allowed discretionary settlement, or indefinite leave to remain, in the UK. Ensuing the case of a Secretary of State for the Home Department, which declared that the meaning of settled person must be widened as to contain people with refugee status for the reason of domestic abuse rule, this modification will be echoed in the immigration rules from next January. 3. Tier 2 and Tier 5 Sponsored Workers Update. The latest UK immigration update also involved a number of modifications involving sponsored workforce under the Tier 2 and Tier 5 points-based system, PBS, path. Tier 2 employees. Tier 2 of the point-based system permits skilled migrant workers to arrive and work in the United Kingdom for an authorised company who is registered on the official Home Office Register of Sponsors. A number of the important modifications relating to Tier 2 of the PBS incorporate: Tier 2, ICT, immigrants will be obligated to apply for an Academic Technology Approval Scheme, ATAS, certificate if they wish to seek a postgraduate degree in specific subtle subjects. The immigration policies will suggest the suitable income for nurses and midwives who are commencing the Observed Structured Clinical Examination, OSCE, in order to attain Nursery and Midwifery Council registration, and in connection to the Resident Labour Market Test, all references to Universal Job Match will be eliminated, as this was substituted by the Find a Job service on the 14th of May 2018. Tier 5 Workers. Tier 5 of the points-based system grants short-term temporary personnel to arrive in the United Kingdom for work. On the other hand, this is on a short-term basis and there is no path to settlement under this category. The main modification in connection to the Tier 5 temporary work visa is the initiation of the cooling-off period for charity and religious workers. This signifies that, as with the Tier 2 category, charity and religious workers will have to exhaust at least 12 months outside of the United Kingdom before going back. This is to put off migrants from exploiting the Tier 5 visa path, as it had become obvious that religious workers were arriving into United Kingdom and in reality filling the position of Minister of Religion, which is deemed under the Tier 2 category. This main argument is that under the Tier 5 path for religious workers, there is no English language obligation, unlike under the Tier 2 category. These modifications will be in effect from 10th of January 2019.
To find out more about this, log on to our website.
We hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to hit the like button and share this video on your Facebook, WhatsApp and Twitter. Thanks for watching.